police station, right? Or this is
Yeah,
a
you have been arrested
okay.
and your boss
So
calls.
I will call my boss the real situation that this incident has happened, and now I'm in a station. So the boss will also cooperate, I think.
But you will tell your boss that you have been arrested. What if he cares about his reputation, his company's reputation, and then your job is at stake? There is that chance, no?
Yeah,
What will you?
yeah, this is also a chance can happen, but I think that telling lie is better than telling truth, because if I'm innocent and I have not
So
done
telling the
anything wrong.
truth is better than telling a lie.
Yeah, because if somehow later, in later time, somehow if we came to know about the
Finds out.
situation, I think the consequences will be more worse. So it's better to tell the truth if I'm
Tell
not
the
in
boss.
fault.
Okay.
I'm not in fault.
Okay. So you will tell him that you have been arrested.
Yeah, without any reason and without committed any crime. So and as if I'm working, then my boss will also a little bit aware of me, that how kind of person I
Okay. The
am.
kind of personality you have.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So if I have good reputation at
Okay.
my
Fair
office,
enough.
so he will also help me in this situation if it is
Okay.
possible.
Okay. So the first thing that you're going to do is inform your family, then inform your friend who's an advocate, and then
Yeah.
when your boss calls, you will tell your boss. So how will
Yeah,
you prove your
exactly.
innocence? The police has charged you of murder.
Okay. So I will ask them that why. I will ask them for proof that why you are. I'm. If I have not murdered anyone, so how can you say that? And I will then further this matter will go to the court, and there I will have
There's
my lawyer.
time for the matter to go to the court. No, it takes a great deal of time for it
Yeah.
to actually go to the court. There are a series of or a number of cases that are lined up.
Yeah.
Like
But
takes months.
but I have my advocate friend, so I will ask them to suggest me some good way to what to do next now,
Okay.
because I don't
Uh,
have much experience with this kind of things. So uh, it would be better to take advice from my friend.
so what if the police says that they have some proof uh,
Okay.
and they are keeping you in custody for at least a couple of hours until your advocate friend comes and
Okay.
uh, signs the bail petition for you. Till then,
Okay.
they're keeping you in the custody.
Okay.
So you are
So
alone there now.
yeah, alone, but as we know that there is no another option apart from stay there. So there is the only
Staying there,
option
yeah.
which I have to stay there.
Staying there. Apart from staying there,
Yeah,
there's no
yeah.
other option.
There is no other option, so I will stay there and wait for my friend to come, and then
Okay.
after that we will communicate with the police, and all the
Okay.
legal procedure we will follow further.
So just imagine that your friend is out of town.
Okay. So obviously, then my family will there, and in my family they will contact their lawyer,
Okay.
and we will take further action.
So at least for 5 to 7 hours, nobody comes. You are
Okay.
alone. Okay.
Okay.
Nobody comes. And 5 to 7, just 5, 7 hours, fine. 7 hours pass. Your family comes with their
Okay.
lawyers, and then the police comes and they inform you that we are sorry, we accused you of the wrong charge,
Okay.
or you are innocent and we know it. It was a mistake on our end,
But
and
still,
they
I would.
find the person. No, yeah. So they find the person who has actually committed the crime. Now, how will you react?
Obviously I will take further action against the police, because it is matter of my reputation. I know that
Defamation, yeah.
defamation, I will maybe file the defamation case against them,
Case,
because
yeah.
this is the matter of reputation. It's
Okay.
not the matter of that I have been in jail for 6 and 7 hours, but it's matter of reputation of my and my family. So it's
Of course.
matters to me a lot. So obviously I will file a defamation case against them, and tell them that make sure that this is not happening again with someone else, which happened to me already.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is the
Yeah.
thing I will do.
Yeah, because just imagine that you stay in a locality where there are a lot of neighbors, or a
Yeah,
society
exactly.
basically, and then
Exactly.
people find out. Also, you are at the risk of losing your job. Sometimes not everybody takes a chance. Most of them do not take a
Yeah.
chance with their
Yeah.
employees.
Yeah, true.
They'll fire you right away. So you'll find defamation case.
Obviously,
While
I
you
will.
were in the custody, if you were afraid, out of fear, would you ever think of bribing the police, like saying that I am not guilty of it, you can take your own time to resolve the case, but until you all resolve it, let me go out, I will pay you.
No, no. This I will never think of it, because if I do this, that means that I'm in a fault then. Because this
Okay,
is the thing
smart.
of a
Yeah.
person who committed a crime. If I am not done something wrong, then why would I give
Yeah.
them bribe? If this is the case would be if I have committed a crime, then I would be bribing them. That would be okay. And this is the
Yeah.
thing that they person are supposed to be, and they are supposed to
Criminals
do.
bribe.
Yeah,
Yeah.
criminals are supposed to do this thing. If I'm not
Yeah.
criminal, then why I am treating and behaving like a criminal?
Okay. Yeah. So the
And
police will suspect you too.
yeah, that is why I'm not going to do that at all. I
Yeah.
will stay there till my family and my friends come.
Okay. Very
Yeah.
good. So do you think that corruption is good sometimes?
I would say it's sometime good. 10%
In
out
what
of
ways?
100 in ways some like sometime we are in a situation where we have our time is more important than money. Then that time of money and corruption will help us.
Okay.
Just imagine that I have an exam and I have to go out of town in another city, and I'm going by
Okay.
train, and I if because of waiting list my ticket don't
Ticket
get
isn't confirmed.
yeah, ticket isn't confirmed, and I have to go by anyways, no matter that
Yeah. You
how
have to
much
go
is
anyway. Yeah.
anyway, and there is no buses. All buses
There
is
are.
left.
Yeah.
All buses are left already, and the
Okay.
last mode of transport is trains, and I have to go in the train. So at
Go
that
by
time,
train.
yeah, at that time, I would think that I would give some bribe to TC and go. So
Okay.
corruption is
So
sometimes good,
yeah. Yeah, you
and
do
if
need to do that sometimes.
yeah, and if there would be no corruption, they would arrest me and take somewhere else. So my exam
Yeah.
will be missed. So I would say that sometime, not many time, or very few time, the
Okay.
corruption is good.
Sometimes even in hospitals, sometimes you have to be corrupted
Yeah,
or make use of
yeah.
unfair means
In
to get a bed or
today's scenario, as we see that, I would say corruption is the prevalence, and if you have money, none of your work will be delayed and get
or
or
halt.
cancelled.
Yeah, nothing will halt
Yeah,
for you.
yeah. You can
Your
pay and
life
just
just goes on.
yeah, you can pay and just get your work done.
Okay, yeah. So sometimes you think that yeah, there is a lot of corruption around us.
Yeah, yeah, exactly. It's
Yeah,
not a good
even in
thing,
this,
but
yeah. You saw, have you read about the corruption that's taking place right now in this present scenario of COVID
yeah,
regarding
yeah,
the
yeah, yeah, yeah.
vaccines or hospital beds?
Yeah, I would say that
So what do you think about that?
corruption has increased during this corona period exponentially.
So what if there was no corruption during COVID? Do you think everybody would have gotten their rights and the entitlement to a
But
bed or vaccines?
yeah, exactly, I know. But what if there would no corruption? There is still corruption, but still people are not getting oxygens, injections, and bed in hospital.
Exactly.
Still they are not getting.
Yeah.
And because of this corruption, many people that doctors are very, not all doctors I'm not talking about, but some of the doctors are paying much than the normal charges, and because
Yeah,
of
are
that some poor
charging
people,
much more.
yeah,
Yeah.
much more. So because of that some poor people can't afford it, and if would be there no if there would be no corruption,
Okay.
then there might some that poor people will be able to pay their charges.
Yeah. So corruption is
So
good sometimes, but sometimes it's way
it's
worse.
yeah, waivers, sure.
Okay. So yeah, so getting back to the topic then. So
Yeah.
okay, so you think that you're confident And if you know that you haven't done anything wrong, you won't be scared, no matter
Yeah,
who
yeah,
the person. Even if CBI arrests you.
yeah. I would not be scared.
Okay.